I'm actually starting to lose count. Like I have to go back and count all my HUDs and see where I'm at. But
Tom here, Flip Anything USA. So you want to learn how to invest in real estate. Maybe you've never bought a property before. Maybe you own your own home. You put a couple $100,000 away, but you really haven't got enough that you feel comfortable you can retire, put your kids through school. I understand that. Or maybe you're brand new to real estate, young. You know, I started at 19 years old. So look, in this video, you'll see my properties. All these properties you see right here are all ones that I've personally purchased, and there's many, many more. But just these ones you see over my shoulder here represent houses, land, commercial buildings, industrial buildings, office buildings. There's tens of millions of dollars in this shot right here. And these are the kinds of assets that I want my students to also have for themselves. And you take a look in this video. You can scroll ahead, you can jump ahead, whatever you want to do. You're going to see my students, the deals they've made. Some of them have become millionaires while they've been in my class under my mentorship. And you can be a part of it. You can be a part of this story that's going on called Flip Anything USA. If you're sincere and you want it, that's the most important thing. You got to want it. You got to want it. Nobody's going to hand it to you. Nobody's going to throw their arm around you and say, here, make some money. It doesn't work that way. But if you have a desire to make money, then all you just need is you need some guidance to make sure you're doing the right thing or to avoid the pitfalls of doing the wrong thing. You know, I have a saying I tell all my students: easy to do, hard to undo. Very, very hard to undo a big mistake. And purchasing a property could either be the best thing in your life. Watch the success stories, take the webinar, buy my book, and take the mentoring survey. Do any one or all three of those things, you'll be much closer to success than you are right now by not doing it. I can say that you can become a millionaire by taking my class. I can say that with confidence because I have several students now that have become millionaires. Others that have just made hundreds of thousands or tens of thousands. Proof of concept is in. You can make money if you follow my instruction and follow the fundamentals that I teach my students. So look, I have a webinar every Thursday night. Tonight I'll have it as well. If this isn't a Thursday, I'm going to have one the coming Thursday. But the main thing is fill out the application for the webinar, fill out the mentorship survey, and order the book. Enjoy the video, and be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button.
Tom here, Flip Anything USA. Very excited. My book, Wake Up and Smell the Real Estate, it's been a bestseller on Amazon, Audible, and Kindle. But even better, it's been so successful so quickly that I have a number of millionaires and new students that have made hundreds of thousands, tens of thousands, and that's right, multi-millionaires. All on the back here. Take a look at Liam here. He made over $560,000.
When you know value, and then you listen to a man like Tom, he gives you confidence. You could do this.
Ron, over $3 million.
As soon as I hit your channel, I knew right away, and I was like, yep, this is the guy. And so I started watching it. I bought your book, and I just started buying. And then you made the mentorship available. And I was like, hey, I've learned so much from the book. I've got to be able to learn more from this. I actually, right now, I own 21.
Tina, $70,000 with just a couple of transactions.
Followed the steps. It was a contract assignment. It was a lot in a subdivision. I just made, it was literally the fastest $10,000 I've ever made.
What a success story we have here with Jerry. It's just fantastic. That building you see behind him, this represents what is probably a $2 million profit. It's a property he will keep for a lifetime and hand down to his kids. This is a really, really great story, and I urge you to stay tuned because this is a really, really important one for a lot of you out there.
Having the mentorship has been so valuable because when you do find a deal, you have such a network of guys who's in the mentorship, and you could just throw that deal out there and absolutely everybody can dissect it and just give you insight. And on top of that, having access to Tom, and which has been extremely valuable to walk me through not only residential deals, but also this commercial deal back here. The mentorship has been so valuable. So building the building blocks on top of the book, reading the book, and then getting that mentorship has just been absolutely phenomenal.
Well, I found the property through your teachings, especially from your book. That property I got for $260,000. And after doing all the numbers, that property could have sold for $450,000. I wanted to do the rehab on the property since That was one of my goals. I wanted to learn the process from A to Z. I'm on my property today. I'm going to turn on the camera so you guys can see.
Oh,
And that property just gave me everything. I learned everything. Well, I'm not going to say everything, but I learned a lot from that one property.
everybody in the class is familiar with Chris. One of my earliest students, the very first course I started, and Chris has just been a knockout performer. Really success stories. 5th or 7th deal or something like that now.
This is probably, it's funny because when we talk now and you ask me that question, I'm actually starting to lose count. Like I have to go back and count all my HUDs and see where I'm at. But this is probably 7 or 8 between raw land, mobile homes, houses, doing a little bit of everything, whatever makes sense, right? Yeah. Whatever the best deal is.
Yeah, and they keep getting better and bigger profits.
But you've been an incredible inspiration. The mentorship has been phenomenal. Under your mentoring and watching you and learning from you, and then me dipping my toe in the water and then kind of putting a whole foot in the water, and I said, I'm going to dive in, and I quit my job and I went all in, and now I'm doing this kind of stuff, and I love it.
And so, but anyhow, this is his latest deal.
Yeah,
and
I've been working on this for probably 6 weeks.
Yeah,
and I'm done.
Yeah,
so
no, it's cool, and I know this neighborhood really well. See, it's a beautiful property. It was a 3-bedroom, 2-bath.
3-bed, 2-bath, probably about 1,700 square feet.
Got in the mentorship, and then how did that affect your decision making on this?
It helped amplify my confidence in the deals, because how many times have we been at the table, you see something that's good, it's good, but you psych yourself out. Having actually watched a lot of your YouTube content way before, even probably had your course, to be honest with you, I've actually followed you since, I think you had a couple thousand subscribers since I actually started watching you, Tom. And that repetition and constant, the mere exposure effect of, okay, I can do this. You gotta look for opportunities where other people don't see them. You have your edge has to be where other people don't see obvious value, you do. So having watched your videos, it started to open my mind to, wow, there's a lot of houses and there's a lot of property classes out there, grade C and even grade D neighborhoods. There's deals, and that's what this is. This is my first deal in like a grade D neighborhood. I never thought about doing it until I've seen some of your content. I'm like, deal's a deal.
Yeah, right? There's no bad real estate, just bad deals.
I mean, it's changed my life, reading the book, enjoying the mentorship, and having proximity to you.
Just a ballpark, how much money do you think you've made now since you've been in the mentorship, just on land and profit and equity? An idea.
Straight up from real estate, everything cash and notes, and close to $1 million.
Tom here, Flip Anything USA. Very excited. My book, Wake Up and Smell the Real Estate, it's been a bestseller on Amazon, Audible, and Kindle. But even better, it's been so successful so quickly that I have a number of millionaires and new students that have made hundreds of thousands, tens of thousands, and that's right, multi-millionaires. All on the back here. Take a look at Liam here. He made over $560,000.
When you know value, and then you listen to a man like Tom, he gives you confidence. You could do this.
Ron, over $3 million.
As soon as I hit your channel, I knew right away, and I was like, yep, this is the guy. And so I started watching it. I bought your book, and I just started buying. And then you made the mentorship available. And I was like, hey, I've learned so much from the book. I've got to be able to learn more from this. I actually, right now, I own 21.
Tina, $70,000 with just a couple of transactions.
Followed the steps. It was a contract assignment. It was a lot in a subdivision. It was literally the fastest $10,000 I've ever made.
Kai, over $200,000.
So I was really looking for somebody I could relate to. And of course, they never show the actual properties that they own. So somebody that actually goes around to the properties, shows them what they actually own, show them talking to the contractors, stuff like that. And I saw that in abundance on your page. So I was like, let me check you out. So I started watching a bunch of your videos, and I liked what I saw.
Rich, $1.3 million, over $1 million cash just on land alone.
I would say I definitely recommend it, especially starting with the book just to get the foundation. And but you'll really get a leg up. One of the things that Tom really does give you is his contact numbers. So being able to reach out to Tom when you're in a crunch is very vital.
Hub, $100,000, one deal.
That property I got for $260,000. And after doing all the numbers, that property could have sold for $450.
Garrett, over $110,000 now. Started with his first $25,000 he made on a trailer.
I can't say enough how valuable it is just to have access to you and your knowledge of just single family homes, commercial. Like you said, you're a millionaire. You've made millions in several different areas of real estate. And just being able to tap into that is very valuable.
Chris quit his job at the church and is now a full-time real estate investor. He's made over $180,000 this year.
I've learned so much from Tom, his book, his mentoring really ignited a passion in me to pursue this full time, and that's what I'm doing now.
Jerry just made $1.5 million one deal.
Your book was so informative, just broke everything down so good. And yeah, I go back and gander at it from time to time. I keep it on my phone.
Shane, a new student, already $120,000.
Yeah, that's your second deal in a very short time. What are you going to make on the second one?
100 for 80.
Congratulations. I got to interview you as soon as this thing closes.
What do they all have in common? They all got the book. Since I published this book, my students have made over $10 million collectively. You can be the next one.
The first 3 were assignments, and then the next 2 were the ones that we were really able to kind of put our own money in, and it was really exciting. And you know, just seeing how it can grow from just little stages. Like, you have to do a really good job with those little steps in the beginning, and then now we're just like off to the races. It's great.
I'm close on it now. I'm painting now, and don't have probably another 3 weeks and it'll be listed. Should make at least 100.
Tom here, Flip Anything USA. Got a very special guest here. This is Shane George. He's a fantastic student. He's already made 3 deals. Shane, welcome to the podcast, and I appreciate you taking time here to share your success with everybody.
Thanks, Tom. I'm more than happy to help any way I can today after all you've done for me.
It's the best thing I ever did.
And you really, you've made me proud. And I'm telling you, just you're an asset to you're so motivational. You've done so well in such a short amount of time.
Hey, it's just cause of all the resources I got. Cause I mean, I'm a new guy. I don't feel like I know anything yet, you know? I mean, seriously, I just kept it.
You go to work with what you know. You know is taking action. Some people are paralysis by analysis. And now you've already made over 100 grand between 2 deals. And you've got another one you've already got under contract, or you purchased. So you might make another 100,000 on, correct?
Yes, I'm close on it now. I'm painting now, and don't have probably another 3 weeks and it'll be listed. Should make at least 100.
So Shane, how long have you been in the mentorship now?
I think it's around 8 or 9 months right now.
From the moment you got in the mentorship, did you feel like you made the right decision, or were you concerned?
Oh, there wasn't any doubt. It's the best decision I've made. I mean, I'm just so excited about it.
And this $1 million deal, I've never, done this in my life. I was like freaking out, and after reading Tom's book and being involved in his mentorship, I've been able to make a couple $100,000 on a house, another couple $100,000 on another house, and what I estimate is up in excess of $1 million in equity on a commercial building that I bought. So it's very real, and it's very tangible. So highly recommend it.
Okay, you're gonna have to see this because you're not gonna believe it. You see the cabin in the background? Literally looking at the place right now. We just did a handshake deal on his property.
Tom's class is approachable for literally everyone. I'm an immigrant, broken English. I'm a mechanic. Everyone can do it. Everyone.
I made a pretty good amount of money.
Once I realized that Tom was the real deal, I went ahead and I bought the course. I made over $1 million in real estate in 1 year, and I have no cash invested.
I'm on the verge of doing another deal. I'm going to spend 75 and I'm going maybe to 180.
We texted back and forth, we call each other, he gave me some advice. The support is right there. Not somebody else, but he's gonna answer. He's gonna give you the support.
I didn't know anything, so if I can do it in a town of 4,500 people, you can do it anywhere.
I don't like to lose. I don't want you to lose a deal. I take it personally if I'm helping you that it gets away from you. And it hadn't happened yet, by the way.
I had the bank invite me to a board meeting because they're like, how are you finding these deals? We're just very curious how you're putting these deals together, Ron.
4 years worth of salary,
Wow.
just in 1 year.
I gotta get going because he just signed the contract. I gotta go write him a check. Close the deal. Close.
I can't say enough how valuable it is just to have access to you and your knowledge of just single family homes, commercial. Like you said, you're a millionaire. You've made millions in several different areas of real estate, and just being able to tap into that is very valuable.
Yeah, well, it's rewarding when somebody like you actually, takes the info and runs with it too. The way I met you is you actually sent in a picture of the check you made, and I think you were telling us you bought a trailer. And it was shortly after getting the book.
Well, yeah, I had been doing what they call wholesaling a little bit before being introduced to you, so it wasn't exactly my first deal.
Anyone listening out there, I highly recommend Tom's course, the mentorship program. I myself have made over $600,000 in a period of just a couple of months. Without the mentorship program, I would have never been able to do this transaction. So get into the mentorship program. It'll be the best investment in your life.
So we're going to go in, we're going to take a look at Ken's property. And we were looking at this before he bought it. And, I was giving him my 2 cents. And now take a look at this. This is a property, Ken. Ken, how many square feet? What do we got? 4,000?
4,100. 4,100.
So you got 4,100 square feet. He's got this corner, which is nice, already beautiful. But take a look at this. Look what it's next to. He's got an enormous shopping center right next to him, only partially occupied. He had a massage tenant in there, which are awesome tenants for a lot of reasons. They take very little parking, which means there's more parking left for businesses that take more parking. So I love this building right up from the very beginning. And the best part is when he was negotiating it, we negotiated terms, right? We got some great terms on this thing. And we even got owner financing, and we also negotiated a pay down, a discount, so that he got a discount if he paid off the note that he negotiated, if he paid it off early. You want to learn how to make millions of dollars in real estate? I've made tens of millions over my lifetime, and I'm showing people how to do it. Get in my free webinar. I have it every Thursday, 7 p.m. Central. Go to the link below, flipanythingusa.com/webinar. Sign up for it. You can talk to me face to face if you want. Don't waste any time. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. You don't want to miss my channel. I've been doing it for years.